Hello guys, I have created this beautiful website and I will teach you how you can update it. So I will show you how you can update it and make it your own. I will show you how you can change these text, the main idea behind it is when her picture shows up, the rose fades away. So I will show you how you can update it. So first of all, you will update the name. Like for example, I have Emma here. So you will update to whatever you want to keep. So I will let it be Emma. And then for music, I have put dandelions. But if you want to put something else, you have to go inside music and paste your own music here. Then change its name to music.mp3. Then the music will be changed. After that, you can change the image. To change the image, you have to go inside assets. I have image1.jpg. You have to bring your own image here and then rename it to image1.jpg. The last thing you can change is the text. I have put text inside text1 and text2. You can change them whatever you want. Just come here and delete it and write whatever you want. The text will be changed. For example, if I put Lakshmi, um, then I will just let it be whatever it was. I will refresh it. Mm, that was